A 3D powder mixer, also known as a 3D blender or 3D tumbler mixer, is a type of industrial equipment used for efficiently and homogeneously mixing various powdered substances. It employs a unique three-dimensional mixing motion to ensure thorough blending of materials with different particle sizes, densities, and flow properties. Key features and advantages of 3D powder mixers. 1. Efficient mixing. The 3D mixing motion provides superior mixing efficiency compared to traditional methods like ribbon blenders or V-cone mixers. 2. Gentle mixing. The low-shear mixing action minimizes the risk of particle breakage or degradation, making it suitable for delicate materials. 3. Uniform blending. The 3D motion ensures that all particles are exposed to the mixing action, resulting in a highly uniform blend. For versatility, 3D mixers can handle a wide range of materials, including powders, granules, and pastes.